I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best Big Mac with fries and drink. Hey Salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making Big Mac burger. I'm gonna serve this Big Mac with beef jalapeno fries, Big Mac sauce, and a refreshing drink. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the patties. I'm using a Beef Mince that has at least 20% fat. I'm only gonna season it with a touch of salt, and we're gonna use some spices later. Give that a really good mix with your hands and break down this mince. We're looking for a really fine texture.
Round one.
Alright, so this is exactly what you're looking for. Set it aside, grab yourself a plate, and now start turning these into quarter pounder meatballs. Quarter pound is roughly around 110 grams. This is exactly what you're looking for. Let's start placing these here.
Perfect.
There's no Big Mac without the Big Mac sauce, so let's get it with the mayonnaise. I'm gonna prepare this Big Mac sauce my way. Instead of ketchup, I'm gonna use some barbecue sauce. In the actual Big Mac sauce, there's no ketchup or barbecue. Some of this yellow mustard as well. We're gonna balance everything with some honey, or you could use sugar. With the hot sauce, again, you can skip this if you want. With the sweet relish, it's gonna add a really nice flavor to our Big Mac sauce. With some of this pickle juice, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, sweet paprika, pinch of salt, black pepper, and finally a light pinch of this MSG and truffle powder. Now give this a really good mix and combine everything. Look at that beautiful color of Big Mac sauce, it's amazing. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Trust me, one of the best Big Mac sauce that you'll ever try. Of a mouth-watering Big Mac sauce. Done. Thinly slice the red onion into a round shape. Also slice some of the lettuce. Now totally optional, you can dress the lettuce with some of the lemon zest and some lemon juice. It's gonna add a bit more freshness and tang to it. For the spices, we're gonna keep it simple. I'm using a garlic powder with the black pepper and finally some sea salt. Give that a really good mix and that's it. Now let's cook up our burgers. Turn up the heat around medium high. Spray with a light touch of oil. Or when this is nice and hot, and I mean really hot, I'm gonna throw in our meatballs. Add this paper and we're gonna smash this. Now you want to let this cook for around 2 minutes. Or after 2 minutes or so, I'm going to turn this. Like I said, we're looking for a beautiful sear onto that. Bismillah. You might have to scrape this off. That's exactly what we're looking for. Amazing. And now we're going to let this cook for another minute or so. Again, season generously. And I'm just going to remove the patty onto a plate. And now cook the other patty. Just carefully pull this off. Of course, season it. Or let's remove this as well.
Oh, you can!
Or let's assemble our burger. Grab your onions and lettuce. Grab the Big Mac sauce as well. Grab your toasted bun. And you will need the other toasted bun just in a second. First, I'm gonna add a light touch of Big Mac sauce onto there. Now the cheese goes onto there. And I melt the cheese. Throw in some of the lettuce. Red onion. A bit more sauce. Just a little bit. Our juicy beef patty goes on the top. Now grab the other toasted bun, just gonna place it here, add some sauce, some of the cheese again, lettuce, your red onion, pickles, a little bit more sauce, and your second patty goes on the top as well. Touch more sauce, it will secure the burger in place. And now this goes on the top. And finally some more sauce. On top of the bun. That looks so delicious. One of the best Big Mac that you're gonna try. Our delicious Big Mac. Done. Now to cook the fries, turn up the heat to on medium, here with a touch of oil, or when the pan is nice and hot, I'm gonna throw in the meatball. And you wanna smash that. We're gonna get a nice crust on that. Season with a light touch of salt and black pepper. Let this cook for around 2 minutes and then we're gonna turn it. Alright, bismillah, scrape that off. Got a beautiful sear on that. Now while that's getting brown, I'm gonna throw in our onions, spring onion whites, our garlic. Now break down that beef and really cook this mixture. And now I'm gonna throw in some of the chopped red chili or finely chopped jalapenos. And again, let this cook for another minute. And finally season generously with some of this beef seasoning. It smells so good in the kitchen, trust me. One of the best beef and jalapeno fries that you're gonna try. Mix in some of the American cheese. Turn off the heat and leave it covered for a few seconds. Let's check this. The cheese is beautifully melted. I'm just gonna mix this slightly. Amazing. Now grab your crispy fries, season with a good touch of salt and some of this hot seasoning. Now remove the fries onto there. Some of the chipotle mayonnaise. Our cheesy beef mixture goes on the top. Load it up properly. I'm going to add some more jalapenos onto there. Some more of this chipotle mayonnaise. A bit more seasoning. And finally garnish over some of these spring onions. Our delicious beef and jalapeno loaded fries. Done. They look amazing. You guys gonna absolutely love this. For the blue lemonade with the lemon and lime. Fresh mint leaves, pinch of the sugar, give that a good muddle. Then with the blue curacao syrup. And finally you're gonna add in the soda water. You can throw in some of the ice if you like, or just use the chilled soda water in the glass. So refreshing. Alright guys, let's try our Big Mac. It looks delicious. You know what, first I'm gonna try the fries. Our delicious beef jalapeno fries. Trust me, they are to die for. Bismillah. Wow, those are so delicious. The flavor from the beef mixture and the jalapenos, it is just so good. You guys gonna absolutely love these. Alright, let's try our Big Mac. Just have a look at that. This is a real Big Mac. Let's try it. Bismillah. Wow. That is so delicious. The beef is so nice and juicy, it's perfectly cooked. The Big Mac sausage is so good on this burger. You guys gonna absolutely love this. A perfectly cooked Big Mac with some of those pickles, onions. Apologies to McDonald's, but this is so much better. You guys gonna really enjoy this. Alright, let's try our blue curacao lemonade. Looks so refreshing. Alright, let's try it. Bismillah. Wow. That is so good. It's making me feel sleepy, you know. One of the best quick lemonade that you're gonna try, and it's gonna go perfect with this Big Mac and fries. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.